Welcome back to another video. So guys, VUSI Madlala's bail hearing at the Alexandra Magistrate Court in Jozi has taken a U-turn, with the state prosecutor Elise Leroux arguing he poses a flight risk. The state has now revealed that Madlala allegedly holds a fraudulent Eswatini identity document under name VUSI Dlamini, obtained through forged papers and leaked to a family in Motsani. Now, the photos of the ID uncovered in his WhatsApp chat suggest he could cross the border undetected.
He was involved only on the periphery, or perhaps not at all. But the state is not obliged to show its hand in advance. And can I just say that we are here to accommodate the applicants. We in fact already provided them with copies of the documents. So in this case, the state in fact was very accommodating towards the applicant. He was provided with a provisional indictment, with a summary of substantial facts, with the docket, and still the state apparently needs to, in correspondence now, spell out what is the case against their client. Your Worship, I would want to state that, furthermore, my argument that the accused is in fact a flight risk still stands. The court should take into account. The court sits here with a 212 statement from Home Affairs as opposed to the say-so of the applicant. The annexures that I've attached with regard to the WhatsApp downloads from the applicant's wife's phone and his phone, Your Worship, what I say is convincing and prima facie indication that the applicant is still in possession of a Eswatini falsified identity card. We don't have that identity card in our possession. We would have handed that identity card into court if we were in possession of it. But we are not. So that identity card is still somewhere out there. Apparently out there where the applicant has access to. I've consulted with the investigating team during the adjournment, and because of the voluminous investigation that they currently pursue, these are not the only cases that they work with. They say that they are not 100% sure whether they received the passport or not. So, Your Worship, I will have to establish that from the investigating team. I've just noted that my learned friend whispered something to his counsel. So, may I just press it for a moment?
My attorney told me that he handed the passport to my learned friend in court.
Your Worship, I will never receive the passport. It must have been then handed over to the investigating team, but it was certainly not handed to me. But we will accept it and we will not labor this point further. If my learned friend says that they handed it to the investigating team, I will accept that. Your Worship, I would further like to refer the court to...
After this female state prosecutor's name was disclosed, many felt like she deserves a state protection because this is a high-profile case and he poses as a flight risk. His bail hearing is in jeopardy following that he owns a private jet and significant assets in Mauritius. So legal sources suggest that these holdings could be viewed by court as indicators of potential flight risk. Prosecutors are expected to argue that Madlala's international connections and financial resources make it easier for him to evade trial if released on bail. So they must deal with him like they did with, KT Molefe. He doesn't deserve bail, guys. You guys share your thoughts and make sure you subscribe and notification bell for more interesting videos from my channel.